It is possible to configure up to 3 different account types in ArmoníaPlus so that we can control user permissions in our project. We can enable access control by clicking on the Option button in the quick bar and then go into the Access Manager tab. We then click Add to create a new user account, and under Role, we can pick from 3 different account types to assign to this user. Administrators have full access to all the features of the ArmoníaPlus project. Engineers have access to most of the features, with the exception that they are not allowed to load speaker presets. And finally, operators only have access to the operator view window and the project controls that have been made available in that view. So let's create a new user account by typing in a username, and we'll call this one Operator. We then insert a password of our choice, and finally, we select the role that this account will have. In this case, we're creating an operator account, so we select Operators. Once we click the Save button, we will see that this new user has been added to our Access Manager list of accounts. We can now enable access control by ticking the box and clicking Apply. After we click OK, we can see that a new icon appears in the quick bar. If we click on it, we will automatically be locking up our project, and a window will pop up asking us for our user credentials. In this case, let's log in as the user operator. We can see that this user doesn't have access to any of the features in the workspace and will only be able to access the controls in the operator view. If we click on the Access Manager icon again, ArmoníaPlus will ask for the user credentials, and this time we will log in as the project admin so that we can regain full access to all the features in the workspace.